What up, y'all? Largemouth Lunkin. I'm out here with Robzilla. Yeah, break of dawn, beautiful scenery. We're about to get it. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the little shaky head and see what I can come up with out here.
Fish on, bro. Oh. Turn me. I gotta go that way.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. There we go.
Alright. So my guy is whooping my butt today.
Yes.
He is
Bigger
whooping.
one than the other one. Here we go, guys. Number 2.
Good job, man.
You're welcome.
Good job.
Well, thank you.
Ah.
Woo, guys.
At least somebody's got
color.
some footage.
Beauty.
It is.
Let's go.
Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh my goodness, did I just do that? Oh, don't do that. Oh man, you did that. I've only cast it like 3 times, so. Oh.
Guy right here.
Oh.
Between these steps.
Oh.
Where you at?
You know, man. Damn. Okay, don't get frustrated, bro. Yeah, wow, two drop shot, huh? I said 2 with the drop shot, huh? Is that the pattern?
Right there. Yeah. Oh.
No, that's where I got stuck the last time, wasn't it? Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness.
You got it out?
No. All right, guys. Let me give you an update. Still out here with Robzilla. And
Hey.
he's got 2. I got 0. It's 11. It's all bad, but maybe you'll get a video of me skunking. We'll see what's up. Right now, I'm just gonna roll to the Cinco. I've thrown out a variety of baits. Got nothing. He's got both his off the drop shot with a huge Cinco, something I've never heard before. And here we go. All right. So my man's already came over here and got himself hooked up. So let's see how it's gonna go for the rest of us. He's working a drop shot. I might just have to break down and do so, just because I'd really like that bite. And he came up on it quickly too. They always tell us rock. Square bill, they say. Nah, it's the drop shot players.
We should have lure hanging.
Yeah, somebody else was thinking lure. I was, and probably should have been thinking drop shot. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
All
Get him,
right.
son, get him.
Am I recording? Yay. Make sure he doesn't puncture me. Yay. There we go. There we go, viewers. Thanks for sticking it in there with me. I thought I was gonna have to scrap this footage.
That square bill, the square bill.
Square bill, man. There we go. Thank you for no skunk on the day. Have to get a word to the sponsors. All right, y'all. Let's get these out. There we go. Now stuff is working like it's supposed to.
There, a little belly.
Does he? Let's check him out.
I think that's the one that got away.
Probably.
No, I'm saying.
Probably. He was hungry. Yeah, look at that belly.
Nice little hogger.
Yeah, And they're kind of cold too. Yeah, he's plump, but let's get him back so he can live, get caught again. He was ready. Nothing worse than casting out there good and your bait's all tore up. You're like, yeah, then you go to reel it back and it starts spinning. Yeah, no. All I can say is yay. All I can say is fantastico.
Think it's alive? Yeah, saved you, bub.
Ah.
Saved you, bro. You would have been baked, dog.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What do you want to do, Bubba?
Robzilla working on his aw factor on his channel. Aw. That's pretty awesome though. I like the praying mantis. Wonder if we can anchor right almost in the middle there, and then in between these two trees, or not this tree, but the second tree and that third tree. Try to work that and then move over. Oh, did you just see that? No, you didn't.
Where do you want me to go?
Just one. I only get one.
Then. Fish on, baby.
Are you?
There we go.
There you go.
Ooh, nice little bass. You got the bait out?
Yeah, I did. Right when I saw you catch a fish, somehow it magically came out. I'm like, we can't blow this area. Third one for Rob. Dizzle.
He got a crawfish in his mouth.
Does he?
Yeah.
That's what man, I'm telling you. I'm not understanding why the jig's not working. All right. I'm back to the droppy. Droppy with a new worm. Smooth out the situation like Lubadern. Uh-oh.
There you go, son.
There we go.
Yeah. Get him in.
There. Oh, all right. There it is.
Some action.
Goodness. I didn't get a chance to sit the hook. Good. Right choice in the worm. Let's get it back in there. Got one?
Yeah. Oh, this one feels like a beast.
Nice.
Nice one.
There you go.
Whoa, it's a nice one, boy.
You can see Rob putting the smack down on me, catching these bass left and right. I've got one. Definitely not being patient enough. Rob is the catching machine today, guys. All right.
There you go. Kermit hooked up.
Oh, I forgot to, there we go.
Yeah.
Let's get this one in the boat.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. There we go.
Yeah.
He's not dead weight in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can just keep it active like this. This will be good.
It would.
All right, let's keep
Next time
going.
we just hit this spot.
That was, my goodness. Good job, boy.
Yeah, you got it. Thank you.
Oh, no. No way. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Here we go, guys. Number 5. San
Oh,
Joaquin
yeah.
River's treating me nice.
What's up, y'all? So we're off the water. I got my boy right here, Robzilla. He caught 5, I caught 2, with 1 getting away, but had a blast out here at, where are we?
San Joaquin River.
San Joaquin River, just getting out, Lil Yachty.
Yachty.
Yeah, so Had a lot of fun. I won't be stubborn next time. I'll go ahead and pick up the drop shot when that's the established pattern. And we out of here.